Hello students, in 10th video lecture of chapter 2nd, that is solution, you will be practice on some numerical problem based on colligative property like elevation in boiling point. So first question is 5 gram of non-volatile solute when dissolved in 50 gram of benzene raises its boiling point by 1 degree Celsius. What is the molecular mass of solute? In this question, solute is 5 gram, that is WB, and solvent is 50 gram benzene, this is WA. So as we know that elevation in boiling point delta TB is equal to KB into molality, that is M. So elevation in boiling point delta TB, we may write this one also, delta T is equal to Kb into molality. Molality we represent with small m. Here m is molality, and we know that molality m is equal to Wb upon Mb into Wa in upside into 1000. We take 1000 if the mass of solvent we take in gram. So in this question we have to find out molecular mass of solute. So molecular mass of solute will be Mb equal to 1000 into Kb into Wb upon Wa into delta T. Here Kb is molar elevation constant, Wb mass of solute, Wa mass of solvent, and delta T is elevation in boiling point. Here elevation in boiling point is 1 degree Celsius. So Mb is equal to 1000 into Kb. So here Kb value is given, that is 2.53. So 1000 into 2.53 into Wb. Wb is the mass of solute, that is 5 gram given in the question, upon Wa. Wa is the mass of solvent, 50 gram given in the question, into delta T, that is elevation in boiling point, that is 1 degree Celsius given in question. So on solving it will be equal to 253 gram per mole. So molar mass of solute is 253 gram per mole. Next question, a solution containing 8 gram of substance in 100 gram of diethyl ether boils at 36.86 degrees Celsius, whereas pure ether boils at 35.60 degrees Celsius. Determine the molecular mass of solute. For ether, Kb is equal to 2.02 Kelvin kg per mole. Here solute is 8 gram, solvent is 100 gram, which is diethyl ether. In this question we have to find out molar mass of solute. Again we know that elevation in boiling point, that is delta T or delta Tb is equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Here 1000 is taken because the mass of solvent is in gram. So to convert into kilogram, here we taking 1000. W is the mass of solute, that is given 8 gram. Wa is the mass of solvent, also given in the question, that is 100 gram. Mb molar mass of solute we have to find out. As we know that delta Tb or delta T, which is also known as elevation in boiling point, is equal to Kb into Wa upon Mb into 1000 upon Wa. So molar mass of solute MB is equal to KB into WB into 1000 upon delta T into WA. KB value is 2.02, mass absolute 2 point, that is 8 gram into 1000 upon delta T 1.26 into WA value is given 100 gram. So on solving it will be 128.25 gram per mole. Now next question. Molar elevation constant for benzene is 2.52 Kelvin per mole. A solution of some organic compound in benzene boils at 0.126 degrees Celsius higher than pure benzene. What is the molality of the solution? Here in this question we have to find out molality of the solution. From the question, given values are delta T is 0.126 kb, 2.52 Kelvin per mole. If we substitute the value, delta T is 1.126 kb, 2.52. Here molality M we have to find out. So molality M is equal to 0.126 upon 2.52. So on solving it will be 0.05 mole per kg. That is 0.05 molal. Now next question is, a solution prepared from 1.25 gram of oil of wintergreen, that is methyl salicylate, in 99 gram of benzene has a boiling point of 80.3831 degrees Celsius. Determine the molar mass of this compound. Boiling point of pure benzene is 80.1 degrees Celsius and Kb for benzene is equal to 2.53 degrees Celsius kg per mole. In this question, mass absolute 1.25 gram given. Benzene is work as solvent, that is 99 gram. Boiling point of solution, is given 80.31, whereas boiling point of pure benzene 80.1. So we may find out elevation boiling point delta T is equal to 80.31 minus 80.1. So delta T is equal to WB into 1000 upon MB into WA. Here all the things. Here WB is mass absolute, MB is the molar mass absolute, WA is the mass of solvent. So if we put the value, then here we have to find out delta T. Delta T is equal to Kb into WB into 1000 upon MB into WA. So if we put the value, delta T is 0.21, Kb 2.53, WB is 1.25 gram into 1000 upon MB, molar mass absolute. This we have to find, into 99 is the mass of solvent. Therefore, molar mass absolute MB will be equal to 2.53 into 1.25 into 1000 upon 99 into 0.21. On solving, we will get the answer 152.1 gram per mole. So molar mass absolute will be equal to 152.1 gram per mole. Now next question. An aqueous solution of glucose boils at 100.02 degrees Celsius. What is the number of glucose molecules in the solution containing 100 gram of water? So here boiling point of glucose solution is 100.02. Solution is aqueous, and you know that boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, delta T will be 100.02 minus 100. It will equal to 0.02 degrees Celsius will be the elevation boiling point. Kb value given in the question, that is 0.5, and you know that Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. So first of all, to solve this question means to find out number of glucose molecule. First of all, we have to find out we have to find out the mass of solute. So application of the formula, elevation boiling point delta T, we may also write this one, delta TB is equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. If we substitute the value, so at the place of elevation boiling point 0.02 degrees Celsius, Kb 0.5, Wb we have to find out into 1000 upon Mb molar mass of solute. Solute is glucose, therefore molar mass of glucose is 180 into mass of solvent, that is 100 gram. So on solving, mass of solute, that is Wb, will be equal to 0.72 gram. Finally, we have to find out number of molecules of glucose. As we know that number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. So here number of molecules of glucose will be equal to number of moles of glucose into Avogadro number. And we know that number of moles is equal to given mass of solute upon molar mass. At the place of number of moles we may write into Avogadro number. So if we put the value, so here Wb we got 0.72, molar mass of solute daily glucose 180 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. On solving, it will be equal to 2.409 into 10 power 21. So number of glucose molecule will be equal to 2.409 into 10 power 21. Next question. Calculate the molar elevation constant of water of molar enthalpy of vaporization of water at 373 Kelvin is 40.585 kilojoule per mole. So first of all, we have to find out latent heat of vaporization of water per gram equal to molar latent heat upon molar mass. So molar latent heat, at the place of molar latent heat we have to write 40.585 into 1000. Here we write in 1000 because the enthalpy of vaporization of water is 40.585 kg Kelvin kilojoule per mole. So at the place of kilo, here we converting into joule, therefore we multiply by 1000 upon molar mass. Here molar mass of water will be 18. So on solving, latent heat of vaporization of water per gram will be equal to 2.254 into 10 power 3 joule per gram. As we know that a molar elevation constant, that is elasticity constant Kb, is equal to RT naught square upon 1000 into delta HV, means latent heat of vaporization. So on putting value, R is the gas constant, which value is 8.314 T naught square. Here T naught is the boiling point of pure water, that is 373. Since here it is square, so we have to take the square of 373 upon 1000 into latent heat of vaporization, we got this value 2.254 into 10 power 3 joule per gram. So on solving, we will get the value, that is evolutionary constant, means molar elevation constant, is equal to, that is Kb, is equal to 0.513 Kelvin kg per mole.